What if I told you that money could work for you, even while you're asleep? Imagine an AI system that trades stocks, runs your business, and creates income around the clock. Welcome to Rev AI, where we turn cutting-edge AI into your personal wealth generator. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered passive income system that truly works. Welcome to the future of wealth creation, where artificial intelligence transforms how we earn money. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's already powering sophisticated trading bots, automating entire online businesses and even generating digital products that sell 24/7. Imagine a world where your investments are managed by algorithms that analyze thousands of market trends in seconds. Platforms like Wealthfront and Trade Ideas use AI to optimize your portfolio, while innovative tools automate everything from customer service to product creation. In fact, experts predict that AI automation could become a $500 billion industry by 2025, redefining how we think about passive income. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on scaling multiple income streams effortlessly. Stick with me, because in just a moment, I'll break down exactly how you can harness this technology to build your very own AI-powered passive income system. Now that you understand the incredible potential of AI in wealth creation, let's break it down into three powerful pillars that make up an AI-powered passive income system. Pillar 1: AI investing bots. These intelligent systems analyze market trends at lightning speed, executing trades, and managing portfolios with precision. Imagine an algorithm that constantly monitors the market, adjusting your investments while you focus on other things. Platforms like Trade Ideas and Wealthfront are already doing this, and you can leverage them to grow your wealth passively. Pillar 2: AI-powered online businesses. Here, AI streamlines operations, from customer service to marketing, making it possible to run a business on autopilot. Tools like ChatGPT handle customer queries, while AI-driven platforms can optimize your social media and ad campaigns. Whether it's dropshipping or affiliate marketing, automation cuts the workload and boosts efficiency. Pillar 3: AI-generated digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, courses, and even YouTube videos can be created with minimal effort using AI tools like Jasper AI, Synthesia, and ElevenLabs. These products not only generate income around the clock but also scale infinitely. With AI, the creation process is automated, and the earning potential is limitless. So, there you have it, the three pillars that form the backbone of an AI-powered passive income system: AI investing bots, AI-powered online businesses, and AI-generated digital products. These are your pathways to building multiple income streams, all automated by the power of AI. Which pillar are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Let's dive into step 1: AI investing bots. These cutting-edge systems analyze vast amounts of market data in seconds, executing trades faster than any human could. Imagine an algorithm that continuously monitors stocks, cryptocurrencies, or even Forex, optimizing your portfolio 24/7. Here's how you get started. First, choose an AI investing platform that suits your goals. Platforms like Trade Ideas for stocks or Wealthfront for robo-advisory services are popular choices. Once you've signed up, the next step is to configure your risk parameters. This means setting your acceptable levels of risk, investment limits, and profit targets. These settings tell the bot exactly how to operate on your behalf. For example, one investor I spoke with turned a $1,000 investment into $1,300 in just 30 days by fine-tuning his bot settings. It's not magic, it's the power of data-driven decision-making. Now, while the bot works tirelessly in the background, your role is to monitor its performance periodically. Remember, even the smartest AI needs a human touch. Regular check-ins ensure that your bot is adapting to changing market conditions. Before moving on, here's a quick tip: start small to learn the system, and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. That way, you're not risking too much while you're still mastering the platform. Welcome to step 2: AI-powered online businesses. Imagine running an entire business on autopilot, where AI handles everything from customer service to digital marketing. Today, I'll show you how to harness these tools to build an online business that practically runs itself. For instance, tools like ChatGPT can handle customer interactions, automate email responses, and even generate engaging social media content. This means you can focus on scaling your business rather than getting bogged down in day-to-day tasks. Next, consider AI-powered design tools such as Canva's AI features or Midjourney, which can create stunning visuals and marketing materials in minutes. These tools not only save you time but also help you maintain a consistent brand image across all platforms. And it doesn't stop there. E-commerce platforms are integrating AI to manage inventory, personalize customer experiences, and optimize pricing strategies. Imagine an online store that adjusts its strategy in real time to maximize sales without you lifting a finger. By combining these AI tools, you create a seamless, automated ecosystem for your business. Start small by automating one process, say, customer support, and gradually integrate more systems as you see the benefits. This approach not only minimizes your workload but also sets you up for scalable, long-term success. Welcome to Step 3, AI-generated digital products. Now imagine creating an entire digital product, like an ebook, an online course, or even video content, with just a few clicks. Thanks to advanced AI tools, you can automate the content creation process, freeing you to focus on scaling your income. For instance, tools like Jasper AI can help you write a high-quality ebook in minutes, while Synthesia can turn your scripts into engaging video lessons without ever needing a camera. And if you need realistic voiceovers, 11 Labs has you covered, turning text into lifelike audio that captivates your audience. The beauty of AI-generated digital products is their scalability. Once created, these products require minimal maintenance and can sell 24/7 to a global audience. Whether you're offering a comprehensive course or a niche ebook on AI investing, the revenue potential is immense. Now that we've broken down each pillar, let's see how they work together to create a powerhouse passive income system. Imagine this: the profits generated by your AI investing bots are reinvested into your AI-powered online business, fueling growth and freeing up more capital. Meanwhile, your digital products, created once with minimal effort, continue to generate revenue 24/7. This integration creates a self-sustaining cycle, where each component reinforces the others. The data from your investing bots informs better business decisions, your automated online business drives more traffic to your digital products, and the income from digital sales can further expand your investment portfolio. By combining these three pillars, you're not just creating one passive income stream, you're building a diversified income ecosystem that works for you around the clock. It's the ultimate strategy to maximize your returns while minimizing the time you spend managing your finances. So, ask yourself, how can you start integrating these systems today to supercharge your income? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable AI-powered money hacks.